Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 18th, 2020. Well, we have an onshore flow once again, but this morning we had more fog, which is starting to lift, and also we continue to see some isolated showers and a few thunderstorms here and there. The primary impact from these showers will be very heavy downpours as we have more of a tropical air mass in place this morning. As you can see, temperatures range anywhere from the lower to mid 60s over the far northern interior to the upper 60s to lower 70s in the New York City metro. Meanwhile, down towards southern New Jersey, where we have some more rainfall and fog, temperatures are basically in the mid 60s. So a wide variety of temperatures throughout the region, all pretty much dependent on how much cloud cover or low clouds are in place, and also that threat for rainfall. Now, right now, we see the bulk of the rainfall focused over central and southern New Jersey on back through the Delaware River Valley. And guess what? That's going to be a theme that's going to continue all the way on through this upcoming weekend. So let's dive into some of this data. Now, this is the primary setup at the surface. This low pressure system is a reflection of an upper level low, which I'll show on the satellite picture in a moment. This warm front is representing all of the tropical air that's coming in from Bermuda and heading right into our neck of the woods. That's going to be increasing the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, which means every morning a threat for fog, locally dense, and every afternoon a threat for some showers and thunderstorms capable of some very heavy downpours. This type of weather pattern, where we have this upper level low spinning about, basically allows for a lot of tropical moisture to be drawn into the region. Now, it's going to be very interesting to watch the varying temperatures throughout the region as a result. With this moisture transport, of course, that means cloud cover and rainfall. However, as you head up towards southern New England, say northern Connecticut, and up towards the central Hudson River Valley, don't be surprised if your temperatures are spiking in the 80s and 90s with clearing skies. And with those clearing skies, of course, more sunshine, mixing the atmosphere, optimizing your temperatures at the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and leading your temperature to spike into the 80s and 90s. Meanwhile, as you drive south, you would think, oh, it's going to be warmer. Nope. Because you are going to be under the influence of all these clouds and this moisture and lifting, and we know we have lifting because look at the colder cloud tops all rotating in. So you combine all these factors, and what you end up with is a lot of low clouds and the threat for some very heavy downpours. The situation is such that one location in one town, let's say your friend lives in one town, and they're like, hey, we better not go out because it is raining really hard and I could barely see out my window because we have a tropical downpour. However, you are sitting at your home saying, what are you talking about? It's just cloudy. There's nothing going on. You're just trying to stall because you don't want to go out. Nope. They're actually experiencing that. So while they're getting 2 inches of rain, you are getting next to nothing. That is basically the weather pattern today, all the way on through this upcoming weekend. And you could think this upper level low that is spinning about, causing all of this havoc. A little bit closer to home, you can see that even more clearly showing up in our surface, in our visible satellite picture. See all the low clouds basically over much of southern Connecticut and the New York City and Philadelphia metro. And you can see with that moisture streaming in from the Atlantic, that really isn't going to be changing all that much. You might get a break every so often, but for the most part, you're looking at cloudy skies. However, as you head north towards the Poconos, up towards the central Hudson River Valley, and northern Connecticut, you're going to have a better chance of seeing clearing skies and thus watch your temperature spike as a result with more mixing in the atmosphere and as a result hotter temperatures. Especially over northern Connecticut. I think northeastern Pennsylvania will stay relatively on the cool side comparatively. So for today, watch out for your showers and thunderstorms, especially over central southern New Jersey, the Delaware River Valley. Temperatures today will rise into lower to mid 70s for highs, keeping temperatures relatively cool still. Now, as we head towards tomorrow morning, watch out for some locally dense fog, temperatures falling off into the lower to mid 60s. Not much in the way of temperature difference in this type of atmosphere. A few pesky showers as well. But by tomorrow afternoon, same scenario. Showers and thunderstorms will be a threat. Best potential over the Delaware River Valley. Least potential, let's say around Long Island and Connecticut. Temperatures as a result tomorrow afternoon will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s throughout the region for highs, Again, as you head towards northern Connecticut, more like the mid to upper 80s. On Saturday, rinse and repeat. Same scenario once again. Showers and thunderstorms a threat, especially towards the Delaware River Valley. Less so as you head east, with the potential for a wide range of temperatures. Saturday, you'll see temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s for lows, high temperatures ranging from the mid 70s to lower 80s over the bulk of the region as you head north, mid 80s to, yes, even a few lower 90s over northern Connecticut, especially as you drive towards Boston. So definitely a wide variety of temperatures setting up here. Now on Sunday, same scenario again. We're dealing with that upper level low, but starts to exit and we start to transition to a different type of weather pattern. Still having that influence of that upper level low. Watch out for showers and thunderstorms, especially towards, you guessed it, the Delaware River Valley, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid 70s to lower 80s for highs. Now on Monday, different scenario. The upper level low leaves. We get more of a southwesterly wind at all levels of the atmosphere, and that means tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, while these troughs keep on approaching via as cold fronts, and then they weaken and collapse as they approach. So we're going to be dealing with that on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and that means it's going to be muggy, it's going to be humid. You're going to have morning fog, which will be locally dense. In the afternoon, a threat for some isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone will see them, but those that do will experience some very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Temperatures through the period will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s for lows. Again, those temperatures will depend on where the fog forms, okay? And high temperatures, again, will be highly volatile depending on where those showers and thunderstorms form, ranging anywhere from the upper 70s to lower 80s on Long Island to the mid 80s to lower 90s for the rest of the region. So it's going to get rather sticky next week. Not heat wave potential, because remember, that's 3 days of 90 degrees or higher, but still rather uncomfortable for next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.